Pozdrav YouTuberi, Kukuruzna trešnja ovdje, dobrodošli u danas novi klip. Danas ćemo da snimimo novu epizodu. Danas ću pozovem jedan novi broj što ste mi jako puno tražili na Facebooku. Danas ćemo da pozovemo CJ-a iz igrice GTA San Andreas. Ovaj broj mi je poslao Nikola Grobić na Facebooku. Veliki pozdrav za Nikolu, rekao mi da ga pozdravim. Hvala ti puno što si mi poslao ovaj broj. Broj od CJ-a je 1999 3573-537. Ovaj ćemo broj danas da pozovemo, da vidimo da li će neko da mi odgovori. Ništa ljudi, to je bilo to, krećemo. Ajde da pozovemo ovaj broj, da vidimo šta će se desiti. Evo ljudi, zvoni. Hello? CJ?
Yeah.
Is this a real CJ? Hello?
Who's this?
Hello, my name is Kukuruzna Trešnja. I'm a Serbian YouTuber. Maybe you have heard about my channel.
No, I don't.
Well, it's okay. Well, I'm a Serbian YouTuber. My name is Kukuruzna Trešnja.
Who?
Kukuruzna Trešnja. My name is Kukuruzna Trešnja. I'm a Serbian YouTuber. I'm calling you to ask you to help me about this killer clown situation.
What are you talking about?
My fans sent me your phone number in my Facebook page today. They asked me to call you to ask you to help me with this killer clown. So, my fans sent me your phone number.
What? Who?
I don't know who, some Nikola Grobić sent me today a message with your phone number and he told me to call you to ask you to help me with this killer clown. So, can you help me? I'm your big fan, man, and I need your help. This killer clown is so dangerous, I can't do it alone.
Shit, man. How we gonna get to him?
I don't know how. Well, I have heard that the clown lives in the woods, so I have some kind of woods near to my house. So maybe we can go search there. Maybe we can find some clowns there.
Okay, I'm gonna come pick you up.
No, you can't pick me up, man. I'm in Serbia. Maybe you can come here with this airplane today at the midnight. I need you here at the midnight because in the daylight I don't have this problem with these killer clowns. Can you come here at the night, at the midnight?
I don't know, man. I have some plans tonight.
What plans, man? Come on, I need your help, man. I can't do this alone. This killer clown is so dangerous. Please, can you come here today?
Ah, okay. I'm gonna come over right now then.
No, man, I don't need you right now, man. I need you at the midnight. At the daylight, I don't have this problem, so... Anyway, how is the situation there in Los Santos? Do you have the same problems with these clowns?
Yeah, Los Santos is dangerous right now.
So you have the same problems there, huh? Well, okay, man. Well, if you can't come here, man, it's okay. I will find somebody else to help me. It's okay, man.
You be careful.
Yeah, don't worry, I will. Thank you for answering my call, man.
I know. You alright?
I'm alright. I'm just a little scared, you know. I hate these killer clowns. I'm so scared about these killer clowns. So I need somebody to help me with this. But don't worry, I will be fine.
Don't worry, bruh. I ain't gonna leave you in there.
Thanks, man. See ya. Ej, jebi ga ljudi. Kao što ste čuli, CJ ne može da mi pomogne sa klon ubicom. Kao što ste čuli, ima neke obaveze uveče, tako da ne može da dođe. Ja uglavnom imam problema posle 12, tako da preko dana šta će mi ovdje da mi sedi ovako da se smaramo. Tako da ne može CJ da pomogne. Ništa ljudi, hvala vam puno što ste mi poslali ovaj broj, da pozovem CJ-a. Bilo je baš ovako zanimljivo da pričam sa njime. Kao i uvijek, napišite mi u komentare neke druge brojeve što bi želi da pozovemo, da vidimo da li može neko drugi da nam pomogne sa klon ubicom, da ga pronađemo. Napišite mi dole u komentare ili mi pošaljite na Facebooku poruku, neke brojeve što bi želi da pozovem. Tako da to je to ljudi, hvala vam puno što ste gledali ovaj klip, nadam se vam se sviđao, vidimo se u neki drugi.